in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hope you guys had a good holidays, man. Christmas, Hanukkah, I don't really give a hell what you celebrate, as long as it's good, you know? I think I took about 5 days off, which I'm honestly super anxious about. I hate taking that amount of time off, but I kind of needed it. It's no social media, nothing. It was kind of nice. But I'm super glad to be back, man. Once again, happy holidays. Also, man, good news for you guys, because it's a holiday season. Brand's feeling extra good. Giving is a word. You guys might know we got a giveaway going on right now for a real gold rope chain. This thing's sick, boys. All you gotta do usually is get 1,500 thumbs up within the day and one of you guys wins it. Because I'm feeling a good ho-ho spirit, all you guys gotta do this video is get 1,100 thumbs up. You guys pretty much do it every video, so that'll be mad easy. All you have to do is thumbs up, comment down below. My Instagram's right here. Message me once you did that and hopefully one of you guys wins today. And last thing, man, this video is brought to you by NameBran.com. Link is down below. It's our website. And guess what we're having on there for the holiday season? 0 sales. My freaking team forgot to add the code. I've been texting them all week. I guess they're on break right now. So no sales on the website, but you guys can get sick jewelry on there. Everything's free. All I ask you to do is pay shipping, and you can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Add 2 things. Don't add just 1. NameBranFan.com. All right, man. Let's get into it. Now, I had a different video in mind today. I think this one's a super lame idea, but I got a lot of comments over Instagram, or at least in my DMs or whatever, of people being like, Bran, can you make a what you got for Christmas video? And I'm like, no, man. Like, I think I told a lot of you guys I'm just not gonna do it because I'm freaking 20 plus years old. It's weird, first off. I feel like you gotta be 13 to do that. And also, like, when you turn to be my age, like, gifts aren't as sick anymore as they are actually functional and good things for your house, which is now sick at my age. But then the comments kept coming in. People kept asking me to make a Christmas video, so I will show you guys what I got for Christmas today. But the main thing, the main reason we're doing this video is because we kind of got a surprise package that's just gonna give us a title. And I guess we got to make kind of a holiday video, so this is sick. So, little story behind this one. We got it right here, boys. I got this Christmas Day. It's actually from my girlfriend, which she did say, which kind of got me intrigued. She's like, it's actually something that I bought from BLUEFACE. I'm like, what are you trying to say here, Sarah? So I don't even know what's in it. She thinks you guys are gonna like it. And one thing, she's like, this is just a little bonus to your Christmas gift. She knows that titles, and this is why I love her, man. She knows that like making titles for videos kind of stresses me out. She's like, here's a title. Why don't you title it What I Got from Christmas? Or no, what did she say? Unboxing what I got for Christmas from BLUEFACE or something, she said. I'm like, that's actually kind of sick. Really clickbaity, but not really clickbaity. And I kind of dug the road she was going, because I think she said it's some sort of merch or something. So it's, yeah, I did get it from BLUEFACE. You know what I mean? His merch. I don't even know what kind of merch he has, but we're gonna use her title. I think it's dope. We're gonna unbox that. You guys can see what else I got for Christmas. One thing I got was a super hot sauce that I haven't tried yet, and we're gonna try it on video, so stick around for that. Anyway, let's get into this. This is what I've been stoked for.
Like that, huh, baby? Yeah, hey.
No! Okay, so, once again, what do we know? What do we know? It's from BLUEFACE. I'm assuming a merch thing is what you said. That's it. Dude, if this is what I think, oh god. I'm just gonna tell her I didn't make this video because I gotta be honest with you guys. I'm just gonna put this here. Oh man, good try, Sarah. I did say all I wanted for Christmas was things to help the channel. I'm not a huge fan of BLUEFACE, but I get kind of what she was doing here. Moonwalking on Calabasas, kind of a dope song, has DDG in it. Went in his hotel room one time, whole thing was lined with freaking Hennessy bottles. It was nuts. We got this. I know what this is, just right off the bat. This is Gold Gods, and I know this because I've done a sponsored video with them like a year ago, where I know they have a collaboration with BLUEFACE. A real collaboration, and I'm guaranteeing, right? Yeah. It's the pennant. Oh, that's sweet, man. That's a good video idea, Sarah. I love it. Really good idea if we haven't done it before, Sarah. Good job. But we got this BLUEFACE pennant, if I remember. Yeah, so it's got the actual BLUEFACE Gold Gods collab underneath it. It says, yeah, I
like that, huh, baby? Yeah, hey.
Oh boy. You know what we're gonna do? Sorry, I'm doing it for the boys, because you know I'm not gonna wear it. 700 thumbs up for this down below within the day, which I know you guys are gonna get. Somebody's gonna get this, then 1,100 for the other one. Cool, Sarah, thank you, appreciate it. I did say all I wanted for Christmas was things to help the channel, so I think she actually killed it there. Dope, thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. I feel like it just came off as an ass right there, but I gotta be honest with you boys and fill you guys in on my actual thoughts in my head, because that's how we do it. Hot sauce time, Jesus Christ. So I got the hot sauce here. We're about to try this. About to tell you about it real quick. First off, leave a heart down below for my girl. I know she doesn't watch my videos. She's super busy with nursing always. So she must not have known that we already had this, but it's totally fine. I don't even think I still have it anymore. I gave away tons of stuff in that video, but very sick. Thank you so much, Sarah. Now here's what we're about to try, boys. This is what I actually got from her sister and her boyfriend. This is the third hottest hot sauce in the world. And if you guys don't know me, by the way, I love hot sauce. But also I think, if I'm correct, it's the hottest hot sauce that's 100% natural in the world. Now, just to put into perspective of how hot this is, and then we're gonna continue the video while I'm dying from this. How they measure hot sauces and like chili peppers is by a word called Scovilles. So a Scoville unit is the unit in which you measure how hot a hot sauce or pepper is, correct? All right, good. But let me put this into comparison. Jalapeno, the green thing you guys see on everything, is 2,500 to 6,000 Scoville units. This thing right here is 6 million. So there's your freaking comparison. Times that by I don't know how much for a jalapeno. It's hot. I don't want to bitch out here, but this is how much I'm gonna try because I still have to edit after this and still continue this video. This is nothing. So let's try it right now and we'll continue the video. Oh! First, wow. That might be the hottest thing I've ever tried in my life. Just right there. And here come the hiccups. Shit, I didn't think about this. I hiccup when I get, oh god. Okay, let's continue the video. What else did I get for Christmas? I told you guys we're gonna have to talk fast real quick because I gotta end this. Wow, I'm really good with spice, so I thought, that's a hot, did you see how little I put on my finger? I'm not about to put a dab because I wouldn't be able to talk through this. I'll definitely try a dab later. What else did I get for Christmas? We're gonna vlog style this real quick. I'm gonna take you around the house. Like I say, boys, at my age, you just ask for things that are more practical than anything. This first thing I didn't even ask for, but it's sick. A giant blanket that I haven't used once. My girlfriend has taken it over. Her parents got it for me, so I think she was thinking about herself on that one. Let's just say it that way. From my mom, I got this right here. Oh, Bran, blur in the, okay, good. And I got this from my mom right here. Told you boys, it wouldn't be that interesting, but I got a lot of freaking messages. This is kind of cool though, because if you go at the back, it's got like a little plug-in at the back. Y'all can't see anything. It's a nice looking table. It matches this weird rustic table right here with our chairs that aren't rustic. I don't know, if I designed this house and my girlfriend didn't, I would have done a little different on this, but I actually love this table. For my girlfriend, I also got new Wi-Fi, so hopefully my videos will upload so much faster. I can now game a lot faster. What else I get? Oh, speaking of games too, blow. First off, before we talk about it, I was trying to play with y'all the other day on Xbox. It's NameBran Xbox if you guys are trying to play with me, but this thing hasn't been working. I don't know how to work it, but y'all been joining my parties and stuff. I just can't talk to y'all. This is what I got from my mom, bro. One of the best gifts of the century. I don't buy myself video games anymore. To be honest, I don't really let myself play video games. It's because my time could be used in a different way. I really, it would behind the scenes of YouTube. I do a lot of networking and stuff like that with, sorry, I'm freaking dying here. I'm trying to play it cool. I don't know what I'm talking about. I can't even freaking focus with this hot sauce, but we got this, boys. So if anyone wants to game with me, let's do it. Oh, also, one of the gifts. If y'all are looking for a surround sound speaker, if you have an Apple TV, bro, I got this for my girlfriend. Oh no, don't turn on. She's turning on.
Here are some movies matching my girlfriend.
Oh no.
My wife.
Oh god.
My girlfriend.
Oh god.
My alien girlfriend.
Oh no, turn off.
2019.
Turn off.
Alien girlfriend.
No, this is gonna get bad real quick. Turn off.
My dead girlfriend.
Oh no, I knew it was gonna happen.
Want to hear the next 5 movies?
Absolutely not. Turn off. Anyway, this right here. Oh, that was too much. I'm getting an endorphin rush or something right now. It's like the high you get off of frickin' spice. This thing is insane, man. It's surround sound for your Apple TV. Got her that in a microwave because we're adults, but this thing's so dope. Anyway, that's pretty much what I got for Christmas, boys. And I got like a liquor store gift card. Hype. Gotta use that. And also like an eBay gift card because I'm investing in like a basketball card right now. So we're gonna have to end this video. I'm really trying to play it chill. Let's end it with one more. Let's double up this time. All right, this is gonna rock me. Anyway. Oh God, I can't focus. And I think I touched my balls at one point and I don't even remember doing it. There's burning everywhere. Happy holidays. Your gift to me, guys, would just be show love down below. I don't need anything else. Bye.